Starting now, the Christmas decor is in full bloom here in Dubai, and I hope it's there in your countries as well. And do you see this beauty? This how pretty it looks from here. Also, there is another pretty Christmas tree in front of me. It's a very big one. That's the beauty. And then I would like to show you the pretty Mall of the Emirates. That's the iconic top of the mall, and see how pretty it looks from here. And then we the movie just for you guys. So this is the clip that I added from the end of the movie, where they are showing all the clips from the previous movies. Look how old he looks in this one, and he was very fresh in the previous movies. So these are the clips that are there from the previous movie, from this movie. And it has a very amazing song, Memories, being played in the background. So you could barely or merely relate to it, because the song was so good. The scenes were so amazing from this movie, from all the previous movies. So they ended it up like this, just to give you an overview, an idea of how amazing these Venom movies. Yeah, that's a brief snippet from for you guys. And I wanted to show you where did I watch this movie. So it was IMAX. These are basically the cinemas for which these movies are made, and they are highly high definition movies. So it's always best to watch them in IMAX rather than watching them in small screen. So we were watching for some after credits. We were waiting to watch that, because always at the end of the movie, once all this cast and direction, visual arts, etc., all this post credit information is being displayed, the post credits are always there. So we were waiting for that, and yes, there were 2 post credits in this movie. I would not just spoil the spoilers for you guys, but they were 2. So maybe in some other movie in Marvel, the Venom may come in. That's why they added the second spoiler, to give us an idea. So I hope you have liked my video. So guys, post the movie, now we are just roaming around in Mall of the Emirates. We came here for the movie, so I just wanted to show you that the Christmas decor is all set. It's all in now at most of the places, and just see, this place has it in such a pretty way. I would just like to show you how pretty it looks from here. See? So even now, starting now, the Christmas decor is in full bloom here in Dubai, and I hope it's there in your countries as well. And do you see this beauty? This how pretty it looks from here. Also, there is another pretty Christmas tree in front of me. It's a very big one, and they have decorated it such a pretty way with all the gifts below, but it looks really pretty. And then in front of me is the Apple store. As always, it's really crowded, full of people. People are here for looking onto the new devices, etc. So I have heard this store is also very good, but it's a smaller one. If you want to have a lot of variety of things and options, then you need to go to the bigger one, which is in Dubai Mall. So yeah, that's the beauty. And then I would like to show you the pretty Mall of the Emirates. That's the iconic top of the mall, and see how pretty it looks from here. And then we have the MAF concept store banner over there. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I'll take you through the evening with me, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So you would always say that I'm here with food reviews all the time, but this is what I do because I love food, and I love to try various places. So again, on the weekends, like on every weekend, I make sure to go and try a different place for a steak. So this time I'm here at this place called Butcher's Grill. I don't know why their name is not here, but they have some offer ongoing as well. Anyhow, I'm not utilizing the offer. I'm using the entertainer, where you have 1+1. You get one, you take one, you pay the price for one, and 2 people can enjoy the meals. Like me, I am having this, and then the other person can have another serving of steak. So the steak piece is not that big, but the sides are so big that it will make for a wholesome meal. So let's try out their steak. I'll leave my review for you guys as well, and it is on Entertainer, so it gets really affordable if you want to come and have a steak. And it is here in the second floor food court of Mall of Emirates beside Nando's, and there used to be a Buffalo Wild Wings over here, which is now no more, and I'm amazed that it has been closed down from here. I don't know, maybe they're renovating or something, but I really wanted to go over there, but then we were shocked to see that it was closed down. So anyhow, let's I'll enjoy my meal, and yeah guys, this is a bit of a review for you people for the steak at this butcher's grill. So you guys would say that from the movie and the food and etc, where I am, so you could see a vacuum bay written in front of me, and then I was inside an automatic washer for the car. So we have these installed at various places in all over UAE, where you can go and an automatic car wash is there. You just have to park your car inside, and then like this it would clean your car. It's something really fascinating even for an adult like me, because the places that we come from, we don't have these things installed over there yet, though they are very technologically sound. But then this is something really fascinating for me, at least. And sometimes I go, sometimes my husband, he goes himself to get this done, but it's a very speedy process as well. You see how prettily it's just spreading the detergent all over the car, and because of the dust and the sand over here, it accumulates on the windows, on the mirrors, etc. So this detergent, it turns out to be more like towards the blackish side, so that you just see the color. It's not even white, it's towards the black. You see, I was telling you it's towards black because it's so much of dust and things accumulated on the car, because we live in or not, we just live in an area. It's like overall the atmosphere is too much dusty over here. We don't have rains, etc. So this is the output. This is the dirt that's coming out of the car from the top, from the sides, and then the machine was post washing, it would easily rinse with water. The brushes would clean the screens and the windows. So it's pretty amusing. I just want to take you guys along with me for this trip as well, just to give an idea that we have such things over here, and you can take your car over there, but then you have to see the specification of the car as well, that whether it can fit in this automatic washer or not, because some big huge cars, they cannot be. So yeah, that's like I mentioned, that I will share tiny bits of my life with you guys, as well as I tend to be much more active on YouTube from now onwards, and I want to take this channel as my career. Apart from my IT career, I want this to be my career, because you need to adapt to those things which are related to your interest or in which you are interested. So I have also, it's wholly solely cleaning the car, and the car comes out so pretty after we are done with all this. Yeah, if you guys have these automatic car washers near you, I would suggest that go and get the car washed from these places rather than doing it manually. And I know that I like doing YouTube, I like making blogs, I like writing things, I like having all this. So why not make it a proper profession? So that's why I'm now jumping into YouTube, wholly being a wholly solely content creator, donating myself to it properly. So that's why you would see that my videos would be much more in a much more consistency, and I'm uploading much more as compared to how it used to be. So and I'm specifically going out for making content for you guys, because I want to show this prettily amazing country full of opportunities to you guys, and let you know that this place is beyond amazing. This is one of its kind in the whole world. Trust me, UAE is that. So salute to the people here who have made it home for people like us, who just want to come over here to earn a better lifestyle. So now coming back to the main thing, that the vacuum bay. So now it's just coming back here and forth, just cleaning the windows, cleaning the mirror, main screen, and then it will go and settle down, and then it will like, you know, guide us that now you can move forward. So that there are some manual guys over there in the vacuum bay area where they'll just vacuum the car from inside. Now here it's also sending some spray to, you know, evaporate the water that's there on the window. Now I think it has asked us to go, and we are just moving forward, so that the guys over there, hats off to him, they are great. They can vacuum the. So guys, post the washing of the car, I am here, and this is the famous Adnock, and their coffee is very famous and viral here in Dubai and UAE especially. So let me see and go if the barista is there. So I'll fetch a coffee, otherwise we won't have anything. So if you want to come over here, you can always come for a coffee. Their cappuccino is amazing. So guys, for the barista was not available, so obviously I had to get something else. So I got the croissants and a protein bar for tomorrow maybe. So yeah, that's it. I hope you have liked my video. I tried to show you a lot of stuff in one video, but make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get to know whenever a new video is uploaded. So from me and my croissants, one is for me and the other is for my husband, and then I'm taking sign off from you guys. Until next video, take care, do support my channel, and yeah, Allah Hafiz.